So, are Toronto real estate home prices going down? If you're thinking about selling or buying, you might want to hear this. Hi, it's Eva Katsopoulos from Remax, and I've got a market update for you. We've got the latest real estate sales figures that have just come in from the Toronto Real Estate Board for the month of April. So typically, we compare the month to the same month the year before. So April figures we would normally compare with April of 2020. Now, because we're in such different turbulent times, the numbers don't make a lot of sense. If you remember last April, that was like our first month of the lockdown, and basically real estate had come to an almost complete stop, a huge drop. So comparing this April to last April doesn't really give you too much information. So yes, definitely comparing from last year, sales are up 362%, prices are up 33%. But what's been happening in the market lately is we've been noticing a slowdown in the market from the craziness of the last few months. We've had a slowdown in the number of showings on properties. We've also seen a slowdown in the multiple offers. So now the market is still really good, very, very strong, lots of sales. However, at the beginning of this year, any house that would come up on the market would basically be guaranteed multiple offers, and the choicest properties would see 20, 30, 50 competing offers. That I find is no longer the case. You would expect maybe two, three, five offers on a property, and a lot of properties are not selling on the offer date. Some have had to adjust their pricing, and some are staying on the market a little bit longer. So it's definitely a change that's coming in this market. So, more useful, I think, is to compare March 2021 to April 2021. And actually, the figures are quite surprising. Sales from March to April are actually down from 15,600 to 13,600. And there's also a drop, okay, small, very tiny drop in the average price. In March, the average price was 1,097,000, and in April, the average price is 1,090,000. Now, yes, it's a tiny, tiny difference, but this is following many, many months of big price increases. So I think we've kind of reached the top of the hot market, and I think we're going to see some normalization, properties staying on the market longer, buyers having more choice. So if you're thinking of making a move, if you're thinking of selling, if you're thinking of buying, this definitely might have a big impact on your property and the price that you can get for your property. If you'd like more information, if you'd like to know about your specific home, please feel free to reach out.